Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be doing a question of binomial expansion from AS Math 9709 February March paper. In this question, we are given with an expression x by a plus a over x squared whole raised to the power of 7, and when we expand this expression and divide the coefficient of x4 and x1, we get 3. We need to find the possible value of a. So, how would we do this question? We are going to use the R term formula, which is TR equals to NCR A raised to the power of n minus R, B raised to the power of R. This is the first term of the binomial expansion. This is the second term. In our case, it would be x by a and it would be a by x squared. And in our case, n is 7. We need to find the value of r. Okay, let's start. So we have 7cr times a, which was x by a whole raised to the power of 7 minus r, times a by x squared whole raised to the power of r. Or if we simplify it, it would become 7cr times x raised to the power of 7 minus r into a raised to the power of r divided by a raised to the power of 7 minus r x raised to the power of 2r. I'm going to move this to the numerator and this to the denominator. It would become 7cr times x raised to the power of 7 minus 3r divided by a raised to the power of 7 minus 2r. Now, in order to find the value of r, we are going to equate 7 minus 3r first as 4. First 7 minus 3 as 4, and then 7 minus 3r as 1. Why? Because over here the power of x was once 4 and once it was 1 as well. So if we rewrite it, it would be written as minus 3 and r as 1. If we solve the other side, it would be written as minus 3r equals to negative 6 and r equals to 2. Now these are the two values. So what we are going to do, we are going to put r as 1 first and then r as 2 first to get the expression. Either you can do it in a single go. So this would be 7c1 times x raised to the power of 4, because 3 times 1 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, divided by a raised to the power of 5. Since r is 1, so 7 minus 2 is 5. Now we would put again r as 2, so 7c2 multiply by x raised to the power of 1. Why 1? 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So x raised to the power of 1. Then 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3 divided by a cube. And this as a whole was equals to 3. This was the question. This was a problem statement over here. Now, it would be written as 7c1 is 7. So 7 times x4 into a minus 5, sorry, divided by 7c2 is 21 times x times a minus 3, which is equals to 3. Since we had said that the coefficient of x4 by x1, it means that this as a whole is equals to 3. Over here it is mentioned that the coefficient is, the coefficient, when you divide the coefficient, it was equals to 3. So we can simplify it as 7a power minus 5 divided by 21a minus 3 is equals to 3. So it would be written as a minus 2 over 3 is equals to 3. So a negative 2 equals to 9, a squared equals to 1 by 9. So a equals to plus minus 1 over 3. So this is the value of a. So what we did, we started with basic formula, the nth term formula of the binomial expansion. We use this formula. Then we use the value of n, which was 7, the value of a, which was x by a, the value of v, which was a over x squared. We simplified the expression, which is this one. Upon simplification, we find the value of r, two values of r we got. Then we plug these two values. Then we plug these two values to find the value of coefficients. Then we simplify the coefficient to get the value of a. I hope the concept is clear.